Today we are going to talk about family. In Hindi, family is परिवार. 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 Okay, so परिवार में मम्मी पापा तो मम्मी पापा some people say माँ बाप माँ you can say mummy माँ and पिता and whenever you have people that you are addressing they are older than you, you say जी माँ जी पिताजी. Okay, and भाई भाई brother बहन बहन sister. If your sister is older than you, you can say didi or you can say badi behan, older one, and or choti behan. If you have younger sister, you will say choti behan. बड़ी बहन छोटी बहन and दीदी भाई or if you have elder brother you can say भैया or you can again say the same way बड़ा भाई or छोटा भाई if you have a younger brother. Okay, let's practice one more time. दीदी बड़ी बहन छोटी बहन माँ पिता भैया भाई बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई. So this is परिवार. Now you know माँ पिता तो ये अगर माँ है ये पिता mother and father, so this is like mother's family, माँ का परिवार. So माँ की बहन mother's sister, so ये mother's sister. बहन mother sister is your मौसी. मौसी. मौसी is mother's sister is मौसी. You can say बड़ी मौसी छोटी मौसी if you have lots of मौसी. And their kids will be your मौसेरे भाई बहन. So मेरा मौसेरा भाई है, मेरी मौसेरी बहन है. And मामा, माँ माँ का भाई, mother's brother, भाई is your mama. You can say बड़े मामा, छोटे मामा. Because you are giving respect, you don't say बड़ा मामा or छोटा मामा. With siblings, you can say बड़ा भाई, छोटा भाई, but with male older than you, you have to use बड़े मामा, छोटे मामा. So mama, and mama's wife is mami, and your cousin mama's kids are your mameरा भाई, mameरी बहन. They are the brother and sister. तो ये ममेरा भाई, ममेरी बहन. Okay. So this side, father's side, is the blue one, and mother's side is pink one. So one more time, if this is your mother, then mother's sister is your mausi, and mausi's husband is mausa, mausa, and their kids are मौसेरे भाई, मौसेरा भाई or मौसेरी बहन, if you are using it as singular. So I will say मौसेरा भाई, मौसेरी बहन. Okay. Mother's sister mausi, mausi's husband mausa, mausa's kids are मौसेरा भाई, मौसेरी बहन to you. And mom's brother is mama, mama's wife is mami, and their kids are mameरा भाई, mameरी बहन. And other side is pita, pita's sister is, बहन is बुआ, and bua's husband is fufa. You say फुफेरा भाई, फुफेरी बहन. And father's brother is, if it's older brother, that is tau, or his wife is tai. And if it's younger one, then is chacha, and wife is chachi. Okay, so chacha, chachi is father's younger brother, is chacha, chachi, and tau, tai is older one. And chacha's kids are chachera bhai, and if it's sister, chacheri behan. This is all for today. If you have question, you can always ask me. I will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.